Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. I think it's fair to say that you have to be careful on Facebook these days. Many people are getting flagged and warnings, shadow banned, and sometimes banned completely, and sometimes the account holder has got no reason why. Then we also have the problem of scammers hacking into our accounts, creating fake profiles for them to use for their illicit business dealings. Scary stuff, but it's happening right now. Now, I'm not trying to be a scaremonger, but you have to realise that this is 100% real. This is what's going on right now. So the problem is, if your Facebook account is your only business asset and the worst happens, where does that leave you and your business? So you could be left with no account or worse, and this is why I always recommend having assets outside of social media where you have control and have security enabled to protect yourself. And one of the best ways to do this is by building a list. Don't send your affiliate traffic direct to the offer unless you are guaranteed to get the commissions from the future sales. Now, if you don't get the future commission, you've done all the hard work finding the customer, and they will be the ones reaping the rewards for the lifetime of that customer. You have made one commission, and their commissions will be unlimited. So you can direct your traffic from social media bios and profiles as seen on the left hand side, and you can point each account to the same offer or different. It's up to you. On this graphic here, it's just to one offer. The opt-in page is in white where you collect their emails. Once they submit their details, they are redirected to the offer page, which is in green, for their free gift or lead magnet, whatever it was you're offering them at the time. And the email campaign automatically clicks in at the bottom. So you also have to consider that your lead will not buy from you straight away. On an average, 7 touches are needed. Now, most affiliates can't be bothered to do that on the messenger, going back and back again, contacting people. That's why an autoresponder service is ideal. So they can send out any number of emails, each one outlining a benefit and extinguishing any reasons not to buy. Now you have the 7 touches and more on autopilot. And your affiliate link is obviously inside each email, and if they buy, that's fantastic. If they go through the whole campaign without buying, move them onto another list, promoting a similar product which solves the exact same problem. A second chance to make an affiliate sale. So as you can see, the benefits of list building are very clear, and if you lose your social media account, you still have your list which can run in the background as you focus on creating content and generating leads. So you've always got your list, whatever happens. And now they say the money is in the list, and you can see now why they say that. Anyway, that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope you took something away from this training. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe for more affiliate marketing training. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.